Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we are about to start this interview. The first person, what name do you have there?
I have
Alan.
Alan.
Okay, Mr. Alan, please come in for the interview. Come in. Sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down. Okay, we have your CV.
Yeah. The CV online is in the
online.
In the tab.
Okay. So Mr. Alan, you say you want work. What do you apply for?
I'm new here in Nigeria, but I need to apply as presenter.
Presenter.
Yeah.
You want present.
Yeah.
So which country you come from?
I am present.
Hold on. You need a job. So which country you come from?
Manila, Philippines.
Philippines, Manila.
Wait, say again. Aboso, it's okay. Where are you from?
Manila, Philippines.
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 Okay. You want work?
Nedu.
In case una the one that we do interview for workers, we want work. So you say you want to be presenter.
Yes, sir.
What do they want present, Nedu?
If you want you want to presenter, you go freestyle for us. For example, now that you want to present, present. Let's see.
Can I?
Yeah, no, present. You are doing your interview now. Present.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Nandito ako sa Nigeria. Kumusta kayo dyan? Thank you very much.
What do you do now? Now say you want to present.
Nedu, I tell you, now
In my language, in my...
Wait. Now so you want to present for Nigeria, yeah?
Hey!
Come on, leave my office. Leave this office. Come on, leave this office.
You say it's from Philippines.
Come on, interpret. And you want work?
It goes like this.
Nigeria.
You know, say Nedu, I tell you that time. Person where we HSC, yes, come sit down here, say he want to do interview, want to do presenting.
Next person.
I ain't mad. What's as is a woman name?
Anyway, when she comes, she'll come. Next, come in. Let's do your interview quick. We don't have time.
Make I find her.
You don't enter. No worry. Sit down. How are you, young lady?
Welcome, sir.
How are you? How you doing?
I did.
What's your name?
My name is Patience, sir.
Yeah, Patience. Soon I'm now for among them tendon. What's wrong with you?
So, what do you apply for?
My secretary.
Secretary. What did they do you for body will make you the shake like this? Do you have convulsion?
I don't know.
No, that's what I did, sir.
That's what you be?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be your qualification?
I go school well, sir.
What will be your qualification? I say you go school well. What is your qualification?
Calm down.
I go uni.
Yeah. Uni what?
Uni Edo State.
University of Edo State.
No. Yes, sir.
Uni Edo State.
Yes, sir.
My sister, calm down. Okay, do you know what? We has your CV here.
Which kind of university?
Calm down. We are doing interview. We'll choose the person who will work for us.
Okay, not true.
We have seen your CV.
Make I call him.
Okay, we'll get back to you.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you.
Oh God.
What's in the story now?
I beg, I no go gree. All this you will get back to me. Don't reach 22. I no fit. See, sir. I used to go take back you.
Hey!
I sabi service well. If na front, if na back, if na side, I sabi everything.
No. Come this side. Come this side.
Check out.
I bet face the camera. Do what you do now. What you say you want to do?
If na front, if na back, if na side, oh, I sabi service. I sabi secretary well.
You sabi service.
Yes, sir.
You sabi front service.
Yeah, I sabi
front service.
back service.
Oh. Who you want service?
Secretary.
Na secretary na.
No, secretary won't say fees who. This your plan.
No, you are going to be secretary to me, so now me you want service.
I sabi well, sir. For my
Come for here.
my former office, they call me workaholic.
Before I off this my shoe.
They call me workaholic.
They call you workaholic because they service them.
I sabi.
Come from here.
Come on, leave my office.
Get up.
Leave my office. Leave my office. Nonsense.
He wants to service you.
Let me say, I not say why you pursue him now. Never finish interview.
Why you want service
now you the one service.
Why you want service you?
Now your service. Not be my service.
Tomorrow they go say work no day. Why you go want service you? Now part of secretary work.
Now part of PA work with that. Now secretary and PA.
To service you frontal service and back service.
Now your service, not my service. Not me go pay him salary.
They do because it's not church service. What is it? can't to me want to be PA therefore you want to service you.
After I go say walk not day, walk not day. Anyway, welcome to the night show. Welcome to the night show. My name is Nedu and Katim. Now two of us. Man, I walk. Who they wear tie?
You know, say you know they if I like to wear this tie. Nedu just off them. Keep up this
now
tie.
the office
business.
interview will do. Now make me do. Now make me wear the tie.
So now we don't drive all of them now. Now work no day.
Don't worry. We go look for person who will give the work. Easy Beat is our normal. No, okay, Easy Beat na staff. No, it's not a staff. He's a board of director.
Board of trustee.
Board of trustee.
No, if you could bring all those skills where they find them, all those delicious them and after you go bring them come. You know, they go take over business. We could here. They could do overthrow a coup d'etat.
Since why I know you, since why I don't know you, that the only thing where you don't talk will make sense with this. The only thing where you don't talk will make sense.
Why?
Anyway, before we start the show, you get one gist what we want to talk about. We're supposed to talk this thing since.
Oh, Nedu, a whole Jew. Oh, Nedu, don't forget to tell you, I said today is the 11th of March.
11th of February.
Okay, today is the 11th of March 2015. Now welcome to the next show. But before we start the show, it gets something when we say happen for inside Britain. We say we go talk and the thing join one kind of topic going to be one discussion today. Now, see one man, you know those men when they follow men. When they dress like Easy Beat like this.
No.
Then they show their cleavage. Men when they show their cleavage.
Easy Beat, no, they dress like this one na sexy.
Anyway, today, why you
show your cleavage?
where you for sick cleavage?
Not the cleavage.
Now the mic, now the mic.
Nah, cleavage. It show cleavage.
Ah, Easy no get cleavage now. Easy na fine young man.
If I wear suit, Ledu go complain. If I wear corporate, Ledu go complain. Now I wear this one.
They use the yellow suit because all the girls yours they like you anyhow. That is why.
Anyway,
don't mind Nedu.
men when they follow men, they call them gay. Girls when they follow girls, they call them lesbians. Now, this gay guy for Britain, he got boyfriend. Where them two they do their boyfriend and boyfriend. I know what call them boyfriend and girlfriend.
Because
now,
man no fit be careful.
time can't reach for the guy. He say he can't want bikini.
You know go fit born now. 2 months
No,
cannot born.
he get a akamo where they come out from man
2
machine
of them
gun.
get akamu now.
He get akamo. Yes, 2 of them get akamo. Here what I want to.
But they don't get the akara.
Wait first. They not get the akara way. They not get the thing where the akara where they hold the akamu. Where go come from Pekin. Now, then two can't think come. Say now who go come now who go be the akara? Where go from where they go give the akamu? Where go from Pekin?
They come they do sage.
Lo and behold, this guy na in mama. See him. Now the gay guy now wear blue so. Na in mama now wear this blouse. Now in see the Pekin.
Hey, so what's it they go call this one now?
I don't know. Now the mama carry belly for in Pekin.
No, wait first. So they can't do that thing.
See the guy. See how hold the Pekin.
Insemination.
Insemination.
See him.
Where they carry the akamu pour inside the akara.
Insemination.
They carry the guy akamo. Pour for use injection. Put her for inside the mama. Now mama now don't come carry the Pekin. After 9 months, mama come born the Pekin. Now the Pekin the boy carry so now. So my brother, now which kind of word we did so?
Wait till you want to teach this small baby so like this.
I don't know.
So 2 months and 1 boy.
The question why they even ask me say, now waiting this boy go call the Pekin. Now in Pekin, I been in brother, he go call her. Because now this thing just be like say you wipe your mama. Your mama come born Pekin.
But now you could call that thing as wiping. You could still call that thing as wiping.
It depends on how you take it. But the truth be say, your mama now born Pekin for you.
But you know, climb the mama cord.
Yes.
But see, whether he climb up,
whether he climb up, he not climb up. Whether not through ear, he put up. I been not through nose, he put up. I been not through injection. It not make sense.
Maybe now mama yours say making yours helping only picking. You know, so Oribo yours they born 111 these days.
Anyway, now so
I do for global peace.
now so this gay thing they go, lesbian thing they go. Those of now when we gay and lesbian, we agree to now. Not be say with the follow na follow. We agree to now. We agree to now.
We use the
And he get another story again. Another story again. But that one and later now we will discuss that one. But the topic of today, well now we say make we ask. Now onto this gay thing and this lesbian thing. We say make we ask you now. Wetin be the thing where they make person become lesbian or gay?
Okay, if you be boy, if you be man, you can't decide say suddenly
na man you want to follow. Or you be woman, na woman you can't folloll. Wetin una think say be that thing?
Science say like and like no they follow themselves now.
Negative and positive.
They're not the match.
Negative and positive. They spark.
Yeah,
but
they're
positive,
not
positive and positive. They're not they spark
So
lights.
if we dey follow science, they know they do
They're
anything.
not supposed to.
It don't make any sense.
Even follow Bible too. It not make sense.
So wetin they follow now?
It not make sense. So wetin they cause am? Wetin they make girls they follow girls? Wetin they make man they follow man? Wetin they cause lesbianism and gayism? Anyway, now for now we'll buy small chicken break. Come, we'll come back, we'll continue it on top the matter. Make una begin the colors, make we know how it go be. Easy bit, hand over to you.
Alright, I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, break my heart. I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, break my heart. You love that you show all the things that you do, that you do. The way that you do all the things that you do, that you do.
We like to party dirty. Oh baby, give me something. Got to be starting something. Penthouse is spending money. Penthouse we getting money. Got to be popping something. Oh baby, shake your body. Why people they make funny face when they dance? You could see people, even man.
And something
Then they go, they clap.
Something I want to ask again. Why you be saying people they clap? They must. If dance, they must clap. Hey! Why? Must you clap?
Yeah, especially ladies, they clap.
Ladies,
When the music that hey!
then you must see all their face, even the man.
Yeah,
when
first
they
of all,
dance.
like
Even
in
when
the
they dance.
time.
If you want to get for worse, maybe for a club now, and then the cameraman call they snap everybody. If you see yourself after the party,
Anyway, welcome back on Top the Night Show. The topic we're going to talk about today, our phone numbers there on top of TV. Make you begin the call us, make you know what you get to think about, what you get to talk about this matter. Busayo from Oshogbo is on the line already. Good evening, Busayo.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister? How Oshogbo today?
Oshogbo is fine.
Busayo, this thing what they talk about, reduce your TV volume.
Okay.
Busayo, this thing what they talk about, what do you think say they cause make people they become gay or lesbian?
Let me greet Easybit first. Easybit.
Hello, Busayo, good evening.
How are you?
I did fine, yeah. What's up now?
I'm fine.
All right.
Busayo, you don't see easy bit cleavage?
Aww, leave her now.
You don't start.
Easybit a very fine man now. See Easybit get your TV.
Busayo, talk to us. Answer our question.
Your question. It's not good. I don't like it, actually. I don't like it.
What are you talking about? Killer B, killer B.
Easybit don't confuse him. Busayo is okay.
Bye.
No problem.
They ask you another thing. Say,
Sister, go and drink cold
Umana,
water.
good evening, Joe.
Your body come down.
Umana, good evening. Umana?
Mrs. Umana?
Mrs.
Umana.
Madam?
Umana? Umana? Mrs. Anyway, thank you. Make you call us back. Now, in case you just join us, the question we they ask, Katim, now waiting.
Now, simple question. Waiting they make girl decide say one be lesbian. Lesbian be say you see another woman, you say nah she you can't like, you know can't like man again. And you as man or as boy, because from boy to man, as boy, waiting could make you decide say you want turn to okay.
And a man you want to follow.
You see a woman with everything. You see that girl we say won't come be Nedu secretary. I mean, a PA say if you do frontal service and back service.
Back service.
So you could see woman where could fit give you
na
frontal
workaholic.
service and back service. You could just still decide saying a man you want. Waiting they make person do like that.
Anyway, make we go on Twitter before we begin talk our own wetin we think about the matter. Jeff, Jumi Otef talk say na signs of end time. So now wetin dey cause am be that. Anyway, Victor Ogbonnaya talk say I think say na too much heartbreak and emotional frustration fit cause am. I fit relate
follow,
to that one, but it not still follow. No.
If you don't follow, if I me like this, can't they follow all the members? I follow 22 men. In the end, they can't leave me. I could see all these men know they trustworthy. Make I follow maybe Kel when be like say maybe he could get my man.
Anyway, from Lauren, good evening. Hello?
You know they.
Call us back. Now, that I'm waiting Victor Ogbonnaya talk. He talk say now when they don't. Hello?
Now too much heartbreak.
Abdullahi.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening.
Nedu.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, no.
How you there, fine, sir? How you there, sir?
Yes, they call you like say
I
you
do.
owe them money.
I beg this matter what to talk about today. What do you think say they cause make people they become gay or lesbian?
Well, that's in a satanic jari. May God have mercy on top of you.
Una Satan they cause them.
Now, satanic. Because I know say why man go to sit down with man. A woman no go to sit down. You tell me say what God create now, what be that now?
Abi?
Abi? God will do and make it make me and woman. Make we do the thing together. You see, say no why. But now satanic they try manipulate things now. May God have mercy on top of.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, Abdullahi. Good night. From Amaka. Hey, Amaka. Somebody supposed to say Amaka.
Nedu, why you dey shout?
Now this Amaka.
This Amaka was supposed to say the chat card. Amaka, good evening.
We don't forget.
Good evening, Nedu. Why you dey shout?
Sorry, I not shout. Now devil walk.
You shout because don't say they owe me my credit.
Now what we talk now?
We use the talk now. Say we forget.
So we forget. Now devil walk.
Say this night you go get
Na
am.
devil work.
No, now hostel leave Nedu. Everything he dey blame devil. We hostel
No,
since
madam.
morning time. That's why we forget.
Amaka, this thing we talk about lesbianism and gayism. What they cause am?
Nedu, I dey see that thing as demonic impression, in fact, because I don't see anything go make man get attraction for a fellow man.
Okay.
Same thing for where woman dey. I don't see anything go make woman get attraction for a fellow woman.
Okay.
The whole thing just dey demonic to me. I see it as a demonic thing.
Okay.
So the thing no dey right at all. You know right.
Okay, to you now, demons they cause am.
say na demon, na spiritual
I
something.
dey take see am o.
Na spiritual
Because,
thing. All right, thank you very much. Nancy
As
from
I don't
Lokoja,
start
good
am, the
evening.
thing go just dey go like that.
All right, thank you, Amaka. Nancy, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
Hello.
Hello, Nancy, would they hear you?
I can hear you.
Okay.
We would they hear you?
Nedu.
Would they hear you? Good evening.
Hello. Good evening, Nedu and Katim.
No, it can as something that happened. Your network.
Would they your TV they loud?
I think we know they loud though.
All right,
I
good
don't
evening.
repeat them.
Good evening. Nancy.
Good evening.
Okay.
I want to contribute to that thing that you're saying.
Oh, yeah, contribute.
I won't talk about all those things that you're saying about lesbianism and gay. It will start from secondary school. Especially boarding house.
Okay.
Some of these our children, we take them to, we go come carry them.
Okay.
Carry them, go only male school.
Yeah.
Some only female school.
Okay.
When they are teenagers, you don't say those children say, they're the human beings, their body no be stitch
Abi?
or wood. Then,
Okay.
they get feelings.
Okay.
And when they look around, no girls will do, they see boys.
They go follow themselves.
What happen now? You know, saying that only boys they the school, so they go do. Some of these girls too, when they look around, they have feelings in their body.
Yeah.
They don't already they feel something for their body. They can't lock them inside school with only girls. That's why they go start to the
Touch themselves.
touch like that. It will start from there.
Okay.
Okay, so you believe say na from
And my own
secondary
contribution
school.
with that.
Okay. Thank you very much, Nancy. Thank you very much. This is when Nancy.
Okay.
So if na mixed school, na school when get boy and girl, wetin they go do?
At least you go no say then go end up. Hello, somebody. Hello, good evening.
Read somebody.
Hello, good evening.
Tony, how now?
I did fine.
Tony, I beg, this is what to talk about. What team you think say they cause lesbianism and gayism?
Some all these bad spirits.
Some na
Bad spirit, evil spirit.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you get one girl when you uncle read
Wait.
at the age of 9 years. He can't hate men. He can't become lesbian.
Okay, then rape her. Then rape her.
The age of 9 years.
Nine make her become lesbian.
I can't become lesbian.
That's not an excuse.
All right.
Yeah.
So to you now, a bad spirit, then they cause lesbianism.
That's pretty nice.
Thank you very much. Emmanuel from Katsina.
Hello.
Hello, Emmanuel.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Kathy, good evening.
Good evening. Oh.
Good evening. Would they hear you, my
When
brother?
they call us like say we they own our money, but it's
Easy
okay.
Peter Alpha.
Yes, boss. I did, Jari Baba.
You look fine today. I'm gonna say why you back your head. Now you can't go dress well today. Now, wow. I tell you, remove your eyeglass now. Where's the glass now? I like the glass now. Where are now?
The dark glass.
I'll go around tomorrow.
You see the plan in style every day. Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
So I'm contribute to the program on this.
All right, now would they hear you?
But me I can't think about even the whole thing alone is an abomination now. How you go say person will see a fellow man go they like him? What you do for a fellow man? What you dey like for a fellow man? Where God don't create woman make it their companion. You can't be saying a woman now money on like now abomination now. And I believe they don't know what they do and a selfish interest they get for themselves.
Okay.
Abi?
Yeah, would they hear you?
And then the other way comes to say the mama, the person became pregnant in mother.
Yes.
Artificial.
The pikin go they call the pikin my brother did that now.
Adio.
The pikin my brother.
Adio.
And now.
Anyway, Mano, thank you.
The pikin still get mouth to challenge his father.
Because
now the woman born.
because now brother.
And now my brother now. He still challenge the mother now.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Good night. Thank you. Hello, who did the line? Good evening. Peter.
Yeah.
How you doing, Peter Ole?
I'm all right.
I beg this matter where they talk. What do you think about him?
Do my brother and kids. The issue is that problem is a problem to us in Nigeria here, not only in Nigeria.
Thank you.
Okay.
That thing I see it as a demonic. It's a demonic impression.
So now spiritual now.
Because I think that is why a lady will have a feeling
For
towards
another
the fellow
lady.
lady, or a man having a feeling towards the man. I think it's devilish.
Okay.
So to you now, a spiritual problem. Na spirituality, na spiritual wahala e be.
Yes.
All right, Peter Ole, thank you very much.
But you know the interesting thing be say some people they find safety. I don't know. I'm the only code that thing, but you want to be safe in your relationship. Therefore, you can't define who could give you that kind of safety. So if person don't disappoint you, sote, you go just automatically near the person where they always stay there for
Give you comfort.
I don't know about man.
That is all messed up. That is all messed up.
Well, people we don't call somebody because I not gonna give you. I know plenty people, and
You don't tell one
I don't tell you about somebody when you a lesbian.
Say the uncle rape him.
The uncle rape him. You understand? Plenty story. And I know another girl where you know. I go tell you the person later. You say if you know the person. Now lesbian the person are bisexual. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not gonna give you. Either we accept them or not. 90%, in fact, high number of ladies these days are bisexual.
Even the men now,
Even
all
the
these
men.
men where they marry, put wife for
Even
house,
the men
put woman for house.
Why?
The ones where they tell you, say, make the woman go outside, go
You
carry the
understand?
weapon.
You
But make
understand?
it then yours day.
Why we begin talk this thing today? Today na industry Wednesday. You understand? Now because of the things where they happen for industry, movie industry, music industry, a whole lot of gay people, lesbian, don't they there? You gonna hear Jesus, okay, this actress where everybody know now lesbian.
And they don't take them grow. They learn them for old age. For this year.
old age they learn them. Okay, where he start? Okay, somebody don't say that from secondary school. Secondary school own. I feel relate to secondary school own. So okay, when then day school, all girls school, all boys school, you don't day for school, your body they touch you, they do you one. You don't know who go touch you. Now your fellow girl can't touch you. I'm not gonna give you. I feel sound stupid now for what I want to talk, but I feel understand girls own. It not makes yes. I go tell you my mind.
And you know where they come from? They say for a girl on they more easier to swallow.
Yes,
than man.
It more appealing.
Imagine this one easy bit now. Wait.
Get if see another girl now say Katim,
look nice.
You look nice.
Shape,
What thing they happen? Your body don't they grow.
Yes.
But how? Okay, easy to
No,
gossip now.
Nedu.
Alpha.
Nedu,
What's
come
in
back,
the
Nedu,
Hello,
come
good
back,
evening.
They somehow.
Hello.
Good evening.
Uche, now how you doing?
I'm just fine.
I beg, Uche, reduce your TV volume, you know?
You say?
Reduce your TV volume when you only got one.
This is going to now.
Okay, Uche, now what do you believe say they cause this gayism and lesbianism?
Okay.
Okay, you see?
What did happen?
Okay.
Uche, now thank you. I beg, no verse. Call us back later when you don't reduce your volume. Thank you very much.
You they dull the ginger for you.
Now, as I take the talk, ladies own, I feel understand them. Somehow, to some extent. I feel understand that secondary school own. I feel understand the one to be said dumb because I know somebody. I know somebody. Inside these people I know will be lesbians. Make it not blessing, only me know
You they always know them, Nedu.
Agbef! Agbef, good evening.
How now? Yesterday you tried to call us Sote, I know.
Agbef, good evening.
Don't cut. Don't cut.
Hey, Agbef, call us back, I beg, no vex.
We know say your wife they cook today, in the kitchen they cook.
Call us back.
Because no first, try call us back. Oh.
Now. One say the secondary school own, that lady we talk secondary school own. I understand that secondary school own. Still, it not be excuse for you to become lesbian. Because normally, spiritually, otherwise, it is wrong. Now, people where they fight for gay rights, where they sign how to be gay. Imagine, okay, I don't shift small. Imagine say they shift small. Imagine say they sign gay law, enter for inside the country. Maybe when they come, make I pull my shoe they come. When they come, they contest for presidency. One gay person come contest for presidency. Come win! Fellow Nigerians! How una dey? Oh, it's so hot in here. So, when I see this thing when they happen, we go
You go and hug easy.
You go easy.
Another thing again where they shock me, yeah? You see, most of all these guys, especially those ones who they behave like girl,
yes,
tendency to say most of them not be originally gay.
Exactly.
Now just their gene, the way their personality take be.
Or maybe they get more sisters.
More sisters down the house.
So
like
gradually.
Somebody. Anyway, Mo, after this law. And then, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I think
This is your bedroom voice now. Wow.
We agree to now. Then I beg, this thing what to talk about. What you get to talk on top of?
honestly,
Your TV, oh.
Hold back.
I said na devil hand.
Hey, it the echo. Call us back. Then when we only call us back. Ajay, good evening. Ajay, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
I beg, what thing they cause lesbianism and gay?
To your mind, what do you think?
To me, I would say that is those people related to spiritual.
Yes.
More remove spiritual out of this.
Okay, Mo could
More
remove
just
spirituality
moral.
out of them.
Moral now.
Okay.
Imagine a man and a man. As in muscular man where grab and man
I
where
understand.
what be the joy where they derive?
Where they derive from inside the thing.
Or inside this, what be the joy where they inside? So, as in our people, they need those kind of people. To me, we can relate it to a psychiatric problem. They need reorientation, or maybe they never tried the opposite sex before.
Maybe they're too shy to talk to opposite sex. You never know.
It's appalling. You know.
Person that don't ever.
All right, thank you very much, Ajay.
Easy.
Hello, somebody there. Hello, good evening, Gabriel.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing? How are you today?
Very well, very well.
Gabriel, this is what to talk about. What you get to talk on top?
Okay, what I see for the matter, now, bad influence.
Now, bad treatment.
Bad influence.
Okay, bad influence. Okay.
Yes, bad company and now loss of self-esteem.
Okay.
Low self-esteem.
Insecurity.
I see.
Okay. Okay. But I don't understand. How low self-esteem go make me the follow man?
Okay, maybe like a man, like a girl, trust herself. She not see herself as worthy of a man.
Okay. All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, Gabriel.
When we go market come back, I want to ask Una two one question.
Make we go market, come back. This matter will go continue. Is a bit.
It's okay.